Hello, fourth graders. It's Miss Leon. Our next learning is around the topic of multiples. And I really love the word multiples because it gives me a clue just inside the word of what I am talking about. So I have multiples as in multiply. Yes, multiples as in multiply. So when I'm talking about what is a multiple is when you multiply a number by a string of numbers, which sounds weird. Multiply a number by a string of numbers is what is going to give you a multiple. So I'm going to give you a quick example of what some multiples might be. All right, so while I'm finding multiples, I'm taking a number, the multiples of 9. I'm taking a number, which is 9, and I'm going to, like I said, multiply it by a string of numbers. So my string of numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, because I'm going to be going in the string in order, is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. And I'm just going in order. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. And 9 times 7 is 63. And remember, I'm taking this number 9 and I'm just multiplying it by this string of numbers down the center, just going in order right here. And so all of these numbers that I'm finding as the answers when I'm multiplying are my multiples. And there is a good example of that. So I'm going to highlight the part that is the multiples. I had to multiply 9 times another number to get the multiples. I'm going to try this again with one more example. I'm going to do the multiples of 8. Remember, I'm going to multiply 8 by a string of numbers. I decided this time to write my string of numbers first. So I'm just starting with 1, followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But remember, I'm going to be multiplying 8 times all of these numbers. So it's going to be 8 times 1, or 1 times 8 equals 8. I'm going to keep going. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this to find out that when we get down to 8 times 8 in this number string, we get 64. So all of these numbers that we have after multiplying 8 times another number would be your multiples. So when I say I want the multiples of 8, that means I want to take 8 and multiply it by another number to find these answers.